Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock the green milk tea recipe in Heartopia. So make sure you have unlocked the green tea recipe first. Need to be level 12 of the cooking hobby, and then the tea leaves, which is level 11 of the cooking hobby. The recipe is just tea leaves and milk. So you're just going to start cooking it. If you are cooking the green tea, it is actually just going to be green, like just green tea, but I guess this works as well. So let's see if I've unlocked the green milk tea or not, because this is what I've read, like the recipe. Okay, so I've unlocked the green milk tea. So you're just going to make the same like recipe as it shows here. Again, and it will unlock it. So maybe green tea is just tea leaves and that's it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!